Well, I finally got the combination right. Here's a test. Almost lost the bike there. Alright, so first test drive went awesome. Things completely silent. It's a lot quieter with this sine wave and this BHT than my old Kelly that's non-sine wave and the LR motor. It's noticeably way louder. This thing is silent. I got a little problem with my chain guard. As you can see, my chain line is sorry, somebody's leaving on a motorcycle. But my chain line's falling off of the old chain guard, the old line a little bit, so it's falling below and it's getting loose when it does that. So I think I'm gonna have to make some new chain tensioners of some sort and tighten the chain up again. But this thing rips. Do a quick video of the bike in action. Super quiet. All I got is a thumb throttle and front brake right now.